Have you ever seen websites where something is locked and you need to complete a simple step to unlock it? In today's video, I'm going to show you how that exact system works using Mylead. We'll explore the content locker or CPA locker tool, understand how it works, and how beginners can set it up step by step. This video is going to be very interesting for you. So let's start. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Here you can see I have used content locker tool of Mylead affiliate network on my website. You can see Mylead affiliate network is showing CPA offers on my website. When my website user will complete any of this CPA offer, then this content locker will be unlocked. For example, my website user will click on this link, then they are redirected on this page. When that user will complete the required step, then this content locker will be removed. My website users can see contents on my website. Let's see how you can create content locker and how you can set it up on your website. I'm going to share with you step by step, so you can watch this full video. You can go on Google and you can search your Mylead. You can click here to open this URL. Guys, Mylead is the best and most popular platform. Mylead affiliate network have lots of CPA offers to choose from. Here you can see campaign categories. Mylead network have lots of campaigns. You can use any of this campaign to promote on your website. Like you can promote loan related CPA offers, beauty related CPA offers, apps, e-commerce, education, fashion, insurance, credit card. You can see all these categories have lots of CPA offers. If you have website related to insurance, then you can promote insurance related CPA offers. If you have website related to loan, then you can promote loan related CPA offers. You can promote CPA offers according to your website category. You can generate good amount of conversions. Here you can see Mylead affiliate network has got 4-star ratings on Trustpilot. Guys, first of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on my account button. It will then take you to this page. Here you can see Mylead affiliate network have over 126,000 publishers. You can scroll down. You can click on create an account button. It will then take you to this page. You can type your unique login name. For example, you can type here Johan99. Guys, you can see this username already exists. You need to type your unique username. Now you can type here your email address. You can type your password. You can repeat your password. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. You can verify this CAPTCHA. At last, you can click on this button. In the second step, you will have to activate your email address. In third step, they can ask your personal details. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see dashboard option, affiliate marketing, surveys, tools. In tools section, you can get offer wall rewards, content lockers, smart links, coupons and promotions. This is new. Here you can see all-time data. Let's see how you can create content locker. You can click on tools button. Now you can click on content locker button. Here you can see content locker tools. You can create CPA locker, CAPTCHA locker, file locker. You can use any of this tool. You can click here. Here you can see all of these tools. CPA locker, CAPTCHA locker, file locker, mobile rewards, instant campaigns, offer API. Here you can get information. What is CPA content locker? How does it work? How to add a locker to your website? You can click on create CPA locker button. It will then take you to this page. Now you can type your locker name. You can type your anything. Now you can provide your number of required conversions. Here you can see loading method immediately after a certain amount of time after clicking. For example, if you select immediately, then Mylead network can lock your content immediately. Here you can choose unlock action, closing the locker, redirection. When your website user will complete an action, then the CPA locker will be closed. Here you can see access time. Now you can visit on desktop version. You can type your locker name, premium content. If you want, you can type your locker title description. You can choose templates. You can choose any of this template. Here is showing preview. You can see here preview. After completing it, you can click on add a locker button. Yeah, here we go. You can see I have successfully created CPA locker. You can click here to edit the CPA locker. You can click here to activate and deactivate CPA offers in this locker. Here you can see CPA offers. These CPA offers will be shown according to user's location and device. You can click here to deactivate this CPA offer. Here is showing notification. Or you can click here to activate this CPA offer. You can click here to deactivate all these CPA offers. Now you can click here to go back. You can click on this link icon. Here you can see Java code of the CPA locker. You can enable ad block detection, automatic translation of the locker's content. Now you can click here to copy this JavaScript code. You can paste this code into your website. Guys, I have made this simple blogger website. I'm going to insert here CPA locker. You can visit on your blogger panel, click on layout button, click on add a gadget button. Here you can see HTML/JavaScript. You can click here. Now you can paste your JavaScript code of CPA locker. Click on save button. Now I'm going to refresh this page. Here you can see CPA locker is showing on my website. When my website user will complete any of this CPA offer, then this CPA locker will be unlocked. My website users can see contents on my website. So friends, this is how CPA locker work. These tools can help you generate good amount of conversions. Guys, you can visit on my channel. You can click here. You can click here to join my Telegram group. Or if you are interested, then you can check my premium ebook of CPA marketing. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.